Good morning, students. I have explained you how a river is formed. Also explained you water bodies, landforms. In the lesson 9, where does water come from? Children, do you know where a spring comes from? On page 54, with the help of a picture, they have explained us from where a spring comes. Children, rainwater seeps into the ground. It seeps deep into the ground through cracks in the soil and rocks. Even under the ground, it flows from a higher level to lower levels. This groundwater comes out of the ground in some places. That is what we call a spring. Look at the picture, you will understand it clearly. Now let us go to page 55 of your book. Make friends with maps. This map shows you the water bodies and landforms in our district. The water bodies are shown in blue. Landforms are shown in different colors. These colors are given according to the height of the region. Map is about Ahmednagar district major water bodies and landforms. Look at the index and answer the questions. The peak called Kalsubai in our district is the highest in Maharashtra. Find it in the map and draw a box around its name. My dear students, Kalsubai is to the west. You just see to the west. Here is the name Kalsubai. You draw a box around it. Now, question 2. The Bhima river flows along the boundary of our district. Draw boxes around the names of two rivers that join in the Bhima. I have shown you in the map. The two rivers are River Kukdi. Draw box there. River Kukdi. Then River Ghod. River Ghod. Okay, I have shown you here. Third question. Draw boxes around the names of major places in the region of moderate height in our district. Draw boxes around Jamkhed, Parner, Ahmednagar, Akole. Once again, I repeat, Jamkhed, Parner, Ahmednagar, Akole. I have marked it in the map. Question 4. Trace the course of the Sina river. You can see, my dear students, From here you can draw the coast near Ahmednagar. From there you start and draw a line. You can see there river Sina. Okay. Next, question 5. Pravara is the major river of our district. Draw an arrow on the map to show the direction in which it flows. My dear students, draw an arrow from Sangamner to Shirampur as I have shown you in the map. Okay. Now you do this page as homework. Thank you, my dear students. Tomorrow I will teach you the next part.